Foley Walk-in tub installation is a crucial service for those seeking enhanced bathroom safety and accessibility. With a focus on senior bathtub solutions, Foley tub installers provide custom walk-in tubs designed to meet the unique needs of each client. These installations prioritize safety with features like non-slip tub surfaces and ADA-compliant tubs, ensuring a secure bathing experience for seniors and individuals with mobility challenges. Foley walk-in showers and tub installers offer a range of accessible bathroom design options, including hydrotherapy tubs that provide therapeutic benefits. Foley walk-in tub installation are popular for their ability to alleviate pain and improve circulation, making them an excellent choice for those seeking both comfort and health benefits. Custom tubs in Foley, Alabama, are tailored to fit any bathroom space, providing a seamless integration with existing bathroom designs. Bathroom safety features are a top priority for Foley tub installers, who offer tub conversion services to transform traditional bathtubs into accessible walk-in tubs. Tub conversion in Foley AL is a cost-effective solution for those looking to upgrade their bathroom without a complete remodel. Leak-proof walk-in tubs in Foley ensure peace of mind, preventing water damage and maintaining a dry, safe environment. Walk-in tub consultations in Foley provide clients with detailed information on the tub installation process, including tub installation quotes and financing options. Tub quotes in Foley, Alabama, are transparent and competitive, allowing clients to make informed decisions. Tub installation financing in Foley, Alabama, makes it easier for clients to afford the walk-in tub of their choice, with flexible payment plans available. Foley tub installation reviews highlight the expertise and professionalism of local tub installation experts. These reviews often emphasize the benefits of walk-in tubs, such as increased safety, comfort, and independence. Walk-in tub benefits in Foley AL are numerous, with many clients experiencing improved quality of life and enhanced bathroom functionality. Foley walk-in tub installation upgrades offer additional features and accessories to enhance the bathing experience. Foley walk-in tub accessories include grab bars, handheld shower heads, and built-in seating, all designed to improve safety and convenience. Walk-in tub features in Foley AL are customizable, allowing clients to select the options that best suit their needs and preferences. Foley walk-in tub maintenance services ensure that tubs remain in optimal condition, providing long-lasting performance and reliability. Regular maintenance helps prevent issues such as leaks and ensures that all safety features are functioning correctly. Foley walk-in tub maintenance is an essential service for those looking to preserve the quality and functionality of their walk-in tubs. Foley walk-in tub installation process is streamlined and efficient, with experienced tub experts ensuring a hassle-free experience. Foley walk-in showers and tub installers warranty provides clients with peace of mind, knowing that their investment is protected. Walk-in tub brands in Foley offer a variety of styles and options, ensuring that clients can find the perfect tub to match their bathroom decor and personal preferences.